Rafi Shaheen says, do you or can you pray Salatul Janazah twice? Can you perform Salat al Janazah, the funeral prayer, twice? The answer is yes, you can even pray it more than that. So if a relative was washed and shrouded and prepared in his home, and we're about to take him to the masjid, there's no problem if I pray funeral prayer on him. Then we take him to the masjid, and there's no problem I join the congregation in praying funeral prayer again. Then we take him to the graveyard, and there are people who were late, did not offer salat, so I join them and we offer salat for the third time. This is totally legit and permissible.